Well, it's the holidays again. Thanks for joining us here at 2QBeads.com, and we have something new in store for you. We have a Christmas ornament kit made with Swarovski beads. So your kit is going to have your sand, your globe, your greenery, and we have two different versions of this kit. But it's going to come with everything you need. So I'm going to show you right now how we start to put our components together. We do it just a little bit different. It's our holiday kits. Hopefully you've been making right along with us, that we kind of do in an upside down fashion. So now we're going to do our snowman. No, this is Santa actually. This is our pave Santa. And so for our pave Santa, we take our small head pin and we create our little loop and wrap down. Take off this little excess piece of wire. Now, on these kits, we make them backwards. So we start with the head. So when your directions come, you're just going to do it the opposite way that we do our kit. So that's his hat. And actually, I started wrong already because I have to put his little dangle on first, like that. Then we have his hat, the rondelle, his head, and his little red body, and his feet. So we're going to set that there. Now we're going to go ahead and make, next one is our snowman. Now we're going to build our snowman. We're going to start with the cube. We're going to add our sequin. Our small pearl goes on next. Our crystal rondelle. Then our large pearl. There's Mr. Snowman. Oh, our North Pole sign. Starts with red on top. And our bow. Red, white, and I left one in the bag, so make sure you pull your components out. And now we have our trees. Okay, so I'm going to start with our bicone on top, then the next two smallest, then the next two smallest, Next two. Then we end up with our large one. We have one more tree. Make sure your virtual is facing up. And the bottom. Now one of our kits that we're going to show you is going to come, it comes with this, it comes with two trees, snowmen, and it comes with a small deer. And the other one comes with two trees, and the only added component is going to be Santa. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to see how I want this to face in here. So I think I want it facing this way. So now all I have to do is get my arrangement made. So I think I'm going to, with my round nose, make a little hole. And try not to bend things, but okay. And I'll put a tree over here. Well, actually, I'm going to put my snowman up here, I think. Well, I'll do my trees first. And you don't have to use, you can use a nail just to poke your holes in. And you can change your mind at any time. Just try not to bend your head pins while you're doing this. Sometimes isn't hard to do. Just move everything up and do it from the bottom. And once it goes through, you're in good shape. Don't try to push it down from the top. There's one tree. Put my other tree over here. Back a little further. I think I will put I think I'm going to put Santa right here. I've lost where I put my hole. I probably should have grabbed a nail before I started this, because I usually use a nail. But I like to show you how to do things with the components, you know, with the things you have right there with you. Here goes Santa. And let's get his little bow and let's get him facing. Frosty here, or Frosty, I think I'll put Frosty in front of the trees. And I'm going to put my deer, I think, right here. Now I've cut off the bottom of his legs because he was too tall. So I just nipped him off with a nipper. But I may have to make some more holes in here. Get him set in here nicely. Got his front legs in. My deer's laying down, so now I just got to get his back legs in. Should be able to push that down. Yeah. Get him straight. There he is. So I have all my characters. Okay, once you have all your characters and you have it arranged the way you want, then we need to tighten everything up. So what we do is we just grab the bottom of our head pins and pull them in place so that everything's where we need it to be and straight and is not going to wobble around. I think this is this tree. Just curl them up. That's all I'm doing is curling them up in here. Okay. Your kit has come with its sand. So I'm going to open that. Now I'm going to take this and gently try to move it in place. And up, my deer came out. I may set him in afterwards. So I have everything in here. So I'm going to start to pour my sand in. I'm going to shake it around because I want it in the back. Just tip it up. A little more sand. Try not to get it on your characters. Go from, go to the side and do it. And just kind of shake it around until you have the snow in the back of your globe. Add some in the front. Add a little more snow in here. I don't want to get it on my Swarovski, so I'm going to use my round nose a little bit to get it in here just a little bit. I'm going to settle everything down. Make sure I have everything even. Put some more snow in the back. Take it around. Now we'll see if I can get Mr. Reindeer in here. I may have cut his legs off too short. I may actually have to glue him in. So for right now, well, actually I like him down there. That's, I guess I like him down there. Yeah, he looks better down there. So actually I probably, on this one, I may move things up a little closer. Seeing so I'm putting him down here. But it's a fun kit. Thanks for joining us. We hope you have happy holidays from all of us here at 2cutebeads.com.